Africa. In Africa, when someone is performing, the audience participates. So you're going to sing with me, right? So I am Mr. Eze from Igbo land, Nigeria. And Dr. Anderson, thank you for introducing me. And thank you, Unuchi Foundation, for bringing me to Jamaica to do the same thing I do in Nigeria. I am a musician. Do you know who a musician is?
A musician who plays instruments.
Yes, a musician plays instrument. What else does a musician do?
A musician plays songs.
A musician sings. What else does a musician do?
A musician gives different types of entertainment.
Exactly. Different types of entertainment. Some musicians play in different places. And one more, what does a musician do? There's something I'm looking for. You are close.
Musician play the drums, the piano, and the piano and vocals.
That is wonderful. Let me also add this. You are all correct. But a musician educates. Because music in Africa is sacred. When we dance in festivals, have you seen people dance in festivals?
Yes.
When we dance in festivals, we are healing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
It's not just jumping up and down. The drums are speaking to you, and something is leaving the drums to your body. Something that will make you feel good. Has it ever happened to you?
Yes.
Have you ever had music and you felt so good?
Yes.
That is why music is sacred. So we do not use music the wrong way in Africa. Okay? And that is why I have come from Africa to be with you for a few minutes, to play music and to tell stories from Africa. And you're going to like it. I will show you another instrument because you said musicians play instruments and that is important. And African musicians ought to play African musical instruments, right?
Yes.
Even though we can continue to play musical instruments from China, from America, from London, from all over the world. But when you see an African musician, you will know because it's natural for him to play African instruments. This instrument is called the obo aka, or you can call it obo for short. So let's go. Obo,
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 obo.
brilliant. Some people call it thumb piano, but those are the anthropologists. So, what did I call them? Anthropologists. Yes. The people who make this instrument, my ancestors who make them, have the power to name them. And they named this instrument what? Oboe. What? Oboe. Good. When you are in school, you learn the real thing. That is what we do in school. So this is oboe. However, some people call it thumb piano, and it's okay. That's how it sounds. That's always easy. They use it in African movies, right? Brilliant. How does it make you feel? What? What did you say? It's relaxing. He said it makes you feel nice. What else? Makes you feel calm. At ease. Oh my goodness. Yes. What do you do to these students? They are conscious. They know what they are saying. They know what they feel. They can explain it. What do you do to your students? This is amazing. They know what it is. They understand it, and they are using the right words. My brother. It's peaceful.
Ola.
What?
Ola.
Ola.
Ola. Ola.
Ola. What does that mean?
Hello.
Miss Spanish.
Oh.
It's Chinese. Makes you want to say hello.
Yes, makes you want to connect with people. Brilliant. That is what we use it for, actually. You are all brilliant. And it's as if you already know this instrument. So, this oboe, are you listening? This oboe in Igbo land is used to really calm people's nerves. So, our ancestors used to have it a lot. And you come in different homes and you see oboe. In the evening, they bring out the oboe and they play to children in the neighborhood and they dance and tell stories. The children can tell stories, but the man playing will also tell stories to the children. And they are happy. Over time, we started learning new things. And then people started playing more of the pianos and the guitars and the trumpet. Beautiful instruments as they are. But what happened is that the oboe started going extinct. You know why it went extinct? Because the consciousness, the understanding of life that helped the Africans to play the oboe was also going extinct. Because that understanding will make you want to play the oboe, will make you understand that with the oboe you have your neighborhood enlightened, that with the oboe you have people around you relaxed. And when you have a society full of people who are peaceful and relaxed like you don't need police. You don't need anybody to police you around because you already know what to do. So music takes away anxiety, stress, troubles that are within you. And then you are at ease and you are a really educated person. But people from all over the world, there is a reason why you are from Jamaica. And there is a reason why I am from Nigeria. And there is a reason why another person is from London. And there is a reason why someone is from America. Wherever you are, you understand your environment. That makes you powerful. That makes you a gift to the world because there is something you have that another person doesn't have. And that is what we now call cultural exchange. Our ancestors have always traveled to exchange ideas, stories, items in trade. And when they travel, this is one of the instruments that travel with them. And that is why in Zimbabwe, you have this instrument, and it is called Ndira. Say Ndira. Brilliant. In Yoruba land in Nigeria, you have this instrument and they call it Agidigbo. Can you say that? Agidigbo. Brilliant. In Igbo land, we have this instrument, and what do we call it? Obo. We call it. In Igbo land, what is this instrument called? Obo. Obo. Can you say Obo? Obo. 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 In Zimbabwe, it is called Mbira. Right? Good. It's because our ancestors were traveling. And when they travel, they see something good, they keep it and come back and give it a name within the community that they want to localize it. And then they start to teach it to children. Most African musical instruments are used for education, for enlightenment. And I'm happy to be with you, and I'm going to sing you a song that will relax you further. So I just did a lullaby. It's a song we use to put babies to sleep in Igbo land. And I wanted to put your mind further at rest. How do you feel? Relax. Good. Now let's do the next song. In Igbo land, we say Abatobi onye bụ nwanne ya. And that means that your neighbor is your brother. Your neighbor is your sister. Your neighbor is your brother. And your neighbor is your sister. We are all one. Abatobi onye bụ nwanne ya. Nwa is child. Nne is mother. So your neighbor is the child of your mother. And you say that your neighbor is the child of your mother. When you know this, why will you want to harm your neighbor? And when your neighbor knows this, why would your neighbor want to harm you? That is the African sense of education. But it's not enough to say Abadobi onye bụ nwanne ya. We have songs and stories that we put in our mind so that in the ways we live life, we will really live like people who know that Abadobi onye bụ nwanne ya. If we just put it only in books, that's not the way it works for us. We also put it in songs, and we put it in symbols. So we're going to do a song, and you're going to participate this time. What you will do for me, okay, thank you, Mary. What you will do for me is simple. What you will do for me is simple. You will sing, Ayo, Mama, Ayo. Can you do that? Ayo, Mama, Ayo. Ayo, Mama, Ayo. Just that. Ayo, Mama, Ayo. And you wait. another Igbo instrument, and it is called Eki. Can you say that?
Eki.
And I'm going to give it to one of you to play for this song. Who am I going to give it to? Let me give it to your head girl. So you are a musician because you are African. So express yourself. The heartbeat is music. Are you ready? When I start to play the rhythm you like, it will be fine.
All right.
You learned that song so fast. and that is it for today. So I don't just want to sing Ayo Mama and go home. So you know what I was singing? Who is my brother? And he said, Ayo Mama, Ayo. You know what that response means? It means that you are also asking that question with me. You are searching for your brother and your sister with me. You understand? We are together in this side. So I ask you, who is my brother? Where is my sister? And you say, ayo mama, we are also looking for this person. And then I say, ma, there is beauty in front. And you affirm, ayo mama, because brotherhood is beautiful. Ma is beauty. So you affirm, yes, it is beautiful that we are on this side. And I say again, ma, then azu. And you affirm, ayo mama, it is beautiful that we are on this side. And that is what the song is saying. So you are going to live today and you will be conscious of the people around you and you respect them, and I pray they respect you. So can you clap for yourselves for this wonderful program? So I have an academy in Nigeria. Yes, a music academy. And we teach children how to play traditional instruments because there are these schools that take care of children in that way, teaching them traditional instruments. So the academy is Ichoku Academy. Can you say Ichoku? Ichoku. No, Ichoku means parrot. Yes, Ichoku in Igbo means parrot. And what are the features of the parrot? Can you tell me? Yes, what did you see in the parrot? What are the features? It has colors, right? Yes, it has colors. The feathers are colorful. That's all the colors you see on the parrot. What else? Repeat what you say. You are coming to the reason why this academy is Ijoku Academy. That is Parrot Academy. So you already said something about the colors, right? And then you say that the parrot repeats what you say. And okay, take your time and think about it. Okay. Colors. Tell me. What else about the parrot? So it repeats what you say, right? So if I teach you love, what will you give me back? If I teach you hate, what will you give me back?
Hate.
Yes. We are mirrors unto each other, and that is why you are in school and we are teaching you love. But when you learn love and someone gives you hate, you insist and give back love. That shows you are really educated. That shows you are really powerful, right? So, but when you are a growing child, whatever we give you is what you give us back. And that's why we are taking care of you in this way. That's why I'm in Jamaica and I'm not looking for a stadium with 10,000 people or lots of people that I'll sing to and they'll jump up and down. I am in your schools singing, Ayu Mama, Ayu. And so this academy is doing the same thing in. Okay. So this academy is doing the same thing in Nigeria, making sure that children receive the right information about their heritage. Okay? And inside this bag, can you guess what I have inside this bag? It's an instrument? Okay. What kind of instrument?
A guitar.
Oh. Okay. A guitar. Who else? Piano. You see, that's what you're expecting. Ukulele. No guitar, not piano, not ukulele. Can you? A smaller version of the oboe. Is that? Can you say it out loud? Okay. My friend, come. I will have you bring it out. Let's see. Let's see. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Can you bring it out? So we see if it's a smaller version of Da, 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 da. You love it. Yes. See the Aubrey? So this is a smaller version of the oboe. Good. And because you know what it is, I'm going to leave this one for your school. So this is greeting from Ichoku Academy, and we're happy to share with you. You have something for the tuning, but it is well tuned and tight now. So no matter how we play between these tuners, it's fine. So let's see. Let me see if you like it. Thank you. So, who's going to receive this?
Me.
Okay, everybody. Everybody. We are going to take a picture at the end of the session together with the instruments. That means all of you will receive it. Remind me of them. Zali. So, Zali will receive it from now on behalf of the school. Okay? So, Zali, come take this. Zali, this is greetings from Nigeria, from Igbo land. This is handmade Obaka from Igbo land. And we want to put it in your school because this is how piano and the guitar and the trumpet also traveled across the world. So we are donating this to your school so that you can learn at your pace and play your own music and express yourself. And you all say that music is relaxing, it gives you peace, it removes troubles. These are the things you said about music. And so that's why I'm leaving this instrument with you, courtesy of Ichoku Academy. Thank you. Come, you have a bag for it. So let's put it in the bag and you take it back. And children, I am doing this so that you know that everybody born to earth is rich. Because there is something that you have that you can give the other person. Do you understand me? So I am saying that you are all rich. And whatever you have, if you make it a gift to the other person, that shows you are rich. So Africa in future definitely will not be asking for any form of help. Africa and African descendants. And the future is right here. Whatever you have in your environment, you have to be conscious of it. You have to know it. And you have to take charge of it. And you have to be responsible in the way you manage it. Because you are already rich. I come from a very rich country, Nigeria. And I come from a very beautiful cultural heritage, Igbo land. And we have so much to give. But this is a start. We have given you the work. And I know that when you all grow, you're going to cover the world with this Igbo, with the order, with the ekele, with the drums, with storytelling, with songs, and you teach children in other parts of the world. Are you going to do that?
Yes.
Thank you. So I'm going to leave with this. There's something I didn't tell you about the Oja, and I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to tell you this important thing about the Oja, and that is that the Oja was our cell phone. Yes. You want to make a call? What do you use? The phone, right? You want to call someone? You want to call your mommy or your daddy? You use a phone, right? Good. This instrument is an instrument of communication. We use it to communicate. Okay?
Like coffee.
Like a whistle. In some parts of the world, whistle is a speech surrogate language. Very brilliant. So you do. Someone else already knows what you mean. And it takes some action. That is how the audio functions. So my name is Mmadu Abuchi. And the Oja can say Mmadu Abuchi. Listen. Mmadu Abuchi. Mmadu Abuchi. Yes. Mmadu Abuchi. And so her name is Zali, and the Oja can say Zali. Mmadu Abuchi. Okay, so any name that has tones, the Oja can play it, right? Then the Oja can also bless you. It can say Yagazie. Can you say that? Yagazie. So I will use the Oja to say Yagazie. You know what it means? May it go well for you. So this is the blessing from the motherland. And I'm saying Yagazie. 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 Can you all say that loud? Yagazie. Thank you. Oh.
Teacher has something to say.
I feel
All right, so I will
so
say,
wonderful.
and listen all afternoon. I am so